we go continue to dey support the ideas and aspirations of ICAO. Muhammadu Buhari to Juan Salazar. Niger President Muhammadu Buhari don tok say dem go invest for the provision of aviation infrastructure facilities for safe, secure and environment-friendly and sustainable economic development for the industry. Sake of say since Niger become member of International Civil Aviation Organization ICAO for 1962, dem dey play ogbonge role to help support implementation of policies and programs for the organization internationally and especially for West Africa. He tok dis one when he welcome the Secretary General for ICAO, Juan Salazar, wey waka come visit am on Tuesday for State House, Abuja. Buhari come tok say dem don approve establishment of the Aerospace University for Abuja wey go cater for research and development to help the manpower challenges wey dey the sector.
Nigeria will continue to make significant investments in the provision of aviation infrastructure and facilities for safe, secure, environmentally friendly, and sustainable economic development of international civil aviation. We will also keep supporting the ideas and aspirations of the International Civil Aviation Organization and the achievement of its strategic objectives in collaboration with other member states of the organization. In this regard, Nigeria is looking forward to the continued support of International Civil Aviation Organization under its No Country Left Behind initiative. Nigeria is fully committed to working with other states and support the implementation of the Global Aviation Safety Plan, the Global Air Navigation Plan, as well as the Global Aviation Security Plan.
Juan Salazar come tok say he dey happy with the way Nigeria dey carry out the leadership role for civil aviation sector for Africa.
ICAO is very grateful for the level of attention and support that you offer to civil aviation. Nigeria now is in a privileged position to benefit from opening up more routes, more international connections. You have the infrastructure, you have airlines and markets that are rapidly growing, and that will be a tremendous contribution to the economic development and recovery in the whole region.
Minister for Aviation Adi Sirika come shook mouth say for im own administration, passengers number wey dey double every 15 years, wey be 8 million before, don enter 18 million in 4 years. Say dis never happen before for the country. E come tok say Niger College of Technology Zaria don become the center of excellence for Africa.
We moved passenger numbers from 8 million to 18 million in 4 years. Mr. President, this is debunking the already established fact that aviation doubles every 15 years. Under Ateno, aviation quadrupled in 4 years. In terms of safety and security, for the first time in the history of Nigeria, our airports are certified according to ICAO standards. Nigeria College of Aviation Technology in Zaria today has become the center of excellence for Africa by ICAO. And they have the highest number of training instructors, ICAO training instructors in the whole world.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.